So I'm at a rest area in Ohio, just on the other side of Cleveland, and I was in there taking a shit, as you've seen, and I thought those noises, at first I thought somebody was fucking with me, you know, in Ohio. But then I thought somebody's in there having like gay stuff happening, and then I started making some fart noises and like they're fucking with me. But then it turns out it's somebody retarded. And I was telling them to shut the fuck up. I thought somebody was fucking with me. So, man. All right, I'm getting the fuck out of here. But anyway, I mean, I was convinced somebody was fucking with me. I told whoever it was to shut the fuck up. I really, really hope it wasn't anybody retarded. Because I feel bad. I don't feel bad for saying retarded. Go fuck yourself.